Hi, my name is Abhishek Goel. I belong to Rajasthan. I was born and brought up there. Did all my schooling there. After that, I joined IIT Madras for my electrical engineering course. It was a dual degree course, BTech and MTech. After that, I joined Tata Motors as a manager technical. Uh, Worked in a couple of profiles in Tata Motors. Firstly, as a technical manager in product testing department, and after that, I worked in business planning department. While I was working in Tata Motors, I had a couple of business plans in my mind, and I wanted to execute them while I'm young. So I quit Tata Motors after almost a year and started working on my business plans along with a friend of mine who is a partner right now. While I was executing my business plans, I felt a strong need of doing an MBA because I felt a need of a structural education in business fields. So, I wanted to handle my own finances. I also wanted to recruit people, so I wanted to understand a bit of psychology, a bit of marketing instincts. I wanted to develop marketing instincts in myself. So MBA seemed the apt course for this particular stuff. So I thought MBA is the right choice if you want to being an entrepreneur. If you want to be an entrepreneur in current economic scenario, you have to have knowledge of all the fields at the same time. So MBA is the best course for that. So I chose MBA after that. One fine day I was sitting with my friend. We both are actually interested in writing, so we felt the need of a platform where we can showcase our writing skills and get people to notice the writing, and if at all we get a chance to become an author or something like that. So we thought of making a platform where you can where all amateur writers, doesn't matter what language they write in, can come and post their writings there. We'll get them we'll try to get publishers to that particular site and get them published. So we worked on that idea. We launched that particular site, but there were a couple of technical glitches there. There were some legal issues related to it. So we had to back up from that. We had to back out from that plan after running it for a couple of months. After that, I started another company called Ab Initio Energy, which I'm still trying to run. It's more of basically it's on smart grid. It's a smart grid consulting where we find out energy efficiency of a building, and we try to go and make the energy generation of that building green. So that's the particular thing what I'm running right now. I've been working on that from last 6 months or so. So that the plan is to take it ahead from now. Take it ahead from here. For CAT, I joined a test series. I wanted to have a test series because you lose momentum if you keep on studying theory over time and don't practice it at all, and don't have practice of examination environment. So that was needed. So what happened was I was giving tests almost every weekend, and then the whole week goes in analyzing whatever mistakes I've done in those tests, and whatever rank I'm getting in on all India basis. So analysis part of that particular thing is important. Whenever you go for whenever you're appearing for CAT, do go through a couple of mock tests before the exams, and analyze whatever you have done in your mock test so that you don't repeat those same mistakes in actual CAT. For GDPA, I had a couple of friends from my college itself who were preparing for GDPI. So we made a group and started discussing things among ourselves. We started digging in the current affair news, whatever news were there, whatever events have happened in different fields related to society, related to sports, related to legal aspects or the political issues, whatever were there. We digged out them, and then had a good discussion over them. What were the impacts of those issues on India? How were we as a citizen affected by them? We discussed all those issues. So that more or less completed the whole structured learning for GDPI. That's more than what was required for GDPI, I guess. During the interview, I was asked questions on basically the energy sector. I, being an electrical engineer, there were questions like why are we lacking in why is the energy losses high in India, things like that. There were a couple of questions apart from energy sector which were related to my hobbies. Say I read poetry a lot. So there were a couple of questions on Mirza Ghalib. There were a couple of questions on his contemporaries in today's his contemporaries. So we had a very nice and rich discussion on these topics. Apart from this, there was a discussion on budget, Indian national budget also. So that was the season where the whole thing was going on. In Indian economy. So there were a couple of issues on couple of questions on Indian economy, couple of questions on how who handles finances. There were a couple of GK questions. So that more or less covered my whole interview. After I converted to IIM Kashipur, I interacted with a couple of seniors on Facebook. They told me about the structure, structure IIM Kashipur follows, the methodology they're following in during the classes, the infrastructure we are having, or the facilities we are having, and I was pretty convinced by that, and that was more than enough for me to make up my mind to join this place. After joining IIM Kashipur, like obviously the MBA is always a hectic program. It keeps you on your feet every single second. And that was the same thing which I found here also. But the best part of the whole experience was this being a new institute, I was given chances which are impossible to get in other big institutes. Like you can work on a club of your own, whatever your interest, you can pursue that. There were teachers who were pretty approachable. Even the director sir was pretty approachable in whatever new thing you have in your mind. So that was the best part of your the whole learning experience. The learning curve is pretty steep in that particular sense. So being an entrepreneur, the mindset is always about doing new things or doing things creatively. So this is the best place in that sense, where the whole thing gives you basically acts as a catalyst to the process.